Hi wonderful people, so today I am going to be doing a Chanel unboxing video for you guys and I'm so excited. So if you're interested, definitely keep on watching because it's definitely a unicorn kind of bag and I'm really excited for you guys. So yeah. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name's Derek. I do all things luxury related here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, definitely subscribe to this channel and also press the notification button and also press the like button as well. If you press one thing, might as well press the others because they're all kind of close to each other. So I'm just gonna say I'm really sorry about not making any videos. I know it's been such a really long time and I've been just super lazy and super like not motivated to make any videos lately. For like in December I was like I only made one video and then January I completely did nothing. I did try filming stuff last time when I like last uploaded a video, but all those videos I just kind of deleted just because I didn't like how they turned out. But anyways, let's get right into this unboxing. It is a Chanel unboxing from Fashion File. Yes, I'm so excited. This is such like a unicorn kind of bag. So when you open it, it comes with a nail file and then it comes with like the receipt and all of that stuff in here. And then it comes with a calendar. Ooh, I'm probably doing this all wrong, but it comes with a calendar as like last time. So yeah, a calendar. And then the bag itself is right here. So I'm really excited just because it's a bag that I've been wanting for a really long time. And if you guys know, then you know, but if you don't, we're opening it and I'm showing you what bag that I wanted for like the longest time. Anyways, it's wrapped, it's from Fashion File. It says used is the new on the sticker, like last time if you all saw like my last unboxing video. So we're just gonna take this off and then here's the Chanel box. I'm so excited. And then right there it has like the sticker and like the tissue paper. And then when you actually open it, it has the Fashion File dust bag. And then, ooh, it has the original dust bag that it came in. And then it also has the care booklet as well, which I don't think last time when I did like my unboxing for the cocoa handle and the lilac, I don't think it had all of this. So I'm really excited that it came with this. I'm just gonna open it because I'm not gonna sell it. I'm definitely gonna keep it. But it definitely has that kind of like care booklet for it, but then it also has like this dust cloth thingy that you kind of like use to like wipe down the bag or whatever. But I really like these and I definitely use these, or like I keep them in the bag itself. The inside has like that like folded kind of like paper on the inside. So yeah, leave a comment down below in the comment box and let me know what you guys think this bag is. I'll give you guys like a moment for you guys to like write it down. I'm really excited. It's something that I don't have in my collection already. Let's just get right into it and I'm just gonna show you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, it is the Rainbow Reissue. I made like a whole wish list video last year and I mentioned this as one of the items, and then when I also talked about this bag that I did my last unboxing on, I talked about how I was debating about this and I finally got it and I'm obsessed with it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, it's so pretty, and I'm so excited about it. Okay, so it definitely has like some gold and some yellow, and then it has some like blue and purple, and then it has like some pink and like a little bit of orange, and then like some more blue, and then when you open it up, oh my god, this is really kind of pretty. Okay. it's kind of more like a gradient kind of situation going on, whereas like the front of the bag, you guys can see how it's like a little yellow and a little like gold, and then like a patch of like blue or purple, and then like pinks and like orange at the bottom. And then on the sides of the bag, it looks pinkish orange kind of. It does have some like yellow golds going on the sides and on the bottom, and then in the back it has like this color way. Oh my god, it's really pretty. So yeah, so I'm really excited about this. It is my first reissue bag. It's something that I didn't think that I would get, or like a reissue is not a bag that I thought I would get, but since this came out with like this kind of like metallic kind of rainbow kind of color, I was like, I need this in my bag collection because I think it's really cute and it's so beautiful, like literally. It's amazing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And I can't wait to like cut off all these like tags because I'm definitely not sending it back. I'm definitely keeping them and I'm so excited. And then the inside, okay. The inside is like this kind of like green goldish kind of color. I don't really know, but it's not like a full-on goldish kind of color. And then it also has the authenticity card. Definitely saw different kind of versions of this bag with different colorways. There was a lot of different options, but I decided to go with this one just because I really like how there's all these different kind of colors. Some of them were like just straight up like blue and pink, and then some of them were like a lot of like this gold yellow kind of color, and then some of them were like turquoise. But I just wanted a bag that had all these different kind of colors on it. At one point I actually did see a medium size for a lot cheaper than retail price, which is crazy. I should have bought it, but for some reason I just missed it and was like really slow on getting it. But I honestly, like, if the bigger size were still up for a longer time and like if no one had bought it, I would have literally bought it, but I was just really slow about like getting it. And I saw it once, but then somebody already had like bought it, and then I saw it again and I kind of like favorited it, and then I got an email, but then like the email said that it was up, like there was another listing for the bag, like the bigger size for it, but then it said it was sold out. But then I was like confused if it was like up or not. So then it was up. I was like, it's not meant to be for the bigger size, so I ended up getting the smaller size. I did pay a little bit more than retail price, so I did pay a premium for it, but I don't mind because it's the price that I paid for this one is a lot better than the price that they do have now, like on the website. This was 30% off and from like the original price, so then once it kind of went to the 30% off, that's when I was like, I'm getting it. I'm not like waiting anymore for it to like get any lower. There is another kind of like version of the bag with a different colorway. That was another bag that I was kind of debating on. Like, I literally had 5 different bags at one point of like these like mini rainbow reissues in my shopping cart, just so I could keep track of them and just to see like when they'll go down in like discount prices. Yeah, so I'm really excited that I finally got myself a rainbow mini reissue, and I'm so excited to have it in my collection, and I'm just excited. Like, you guys have no idea, because this is something, again, like I've been wanting for the longest time, ever since 20A collection kind of came out. So So hopefully you guys learned something new by watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and also press the notification button and also press the like button if you like this video. And hopefully you guys have a wonderful day because you're wonderful and don't forget it. Alright, bye guys.